If your entire family depends on your income, then this video is made just for you. Don't skip this. It's short, but it could change your family's financial future. And I'm going to share 5 things that you must do right away. Even if you are missing out just one, please take action. Let's get started. Hello friends, my name is Mansi and you have started watching Bosswala English. Now, let's say you are a 30-year-old from a tier 2 city. You earn 70,000 per month. So here's your breakdown from your entire salary. Your rent must be 15,000. Groceries and utilities you could spend 15,000. Your school fee, like for one child if you have, so it could be around 7,000. Now if you have any loan, then EMI could be 10,000. Other than all those things, petrol, internet, medicine and the parents' health and everything, you can spend 7,000. So that's a total of 54,000 in your expenses, which leaves you with 16,000 savings every month. So now let's use that 16,000 wisely. Here's what you need to do. So first is build an emergency fund. Before you invest or spend extra, first build an emergency fund. It should cover at least 6 months of your basic expenses, that is the 54,000. So if you multiply 54,000 by 6, that comes out to be 3,24,000. Now this fund acts as a safety net in case you lose your job, face any medical emergency, or experience any business loss. Or it could be an unexpected home or vehicle repair expense. Now the question is where to keep it. Use your 16,000 monthly savings and build it over time. You could put it in a separate savings account or a liquid mutual funds or fixed deposits or high interest digital bank accounts. So even if you just save 16,000 per month, you will hit 3.2 lakhs in just 20 months. Second most important thing is get a health insurance for your whole family. Now you must think, we are too many people, nothing's going to happen to me or my family, why waste money on insurance? But illness does not ask before arriving. Let me tell you a true story. My aunt had diabetes. One night, a small wound turned into a serious infection. She had to undergo a surgery and the total hospital bill was 8 lakh rupees. There was no health insurance. All her savings were wiped out. So it's better to get a family floater health insurance plan. Now, for example, for a family of a 3-member, husband, wife and a child, you can get a 12 lakh cover at just rupees 1,500 per month. If anyone is hospitalized for over 24 hours, the insurance covers all the costs. So this can save you from huge unexpected expenses. And in this, Policy Bazaar can help you. You can check out their health insurance plans which are starting from just rupees 400 to 500 per month with 1 crore coverage and up to 25% discount as well. They even offer 30-minute claim support so you are not left waiting during emergencies. If you are planning to start a family, there's some of the health plans also cover maternity expenses including prenatal checkups, delivery, postnatal care and even a 50,000 maternity benefit, and that too in the 6th month of the pregnancy. So if you are serious about protecting your family's health plus their financial health, so check the link in my description and channel profile. Third thing is get a term insurance or a life cover. If you are the only earning member and something happens to you, what do you think will happen to your family? What will they do? So term insurance is a pure protection. You can get up to 2 crore policy at just rupees 875 per month. That's less than rupees 30 per day. And if you are wanting to get a good coverage at a low cost, so Policy Bazaar can help you in that. They let you compare 51 insurers side by side and you can get up to 2 crore term insurance for just rupees 600 to 700 per month. Plus, they offer up to 15% discount on premiums. To check all these plans, click on the description and you will find the link. Because term insurance is just equal to peace of mind that your family won't suffer financially without you. Fourth is start goal-based investments. Now, for instance, you still have 16,000 per month. After spending 3,000 on insurance, including the health and term, you have 13,000 left. Start investing this with clear financial goals in mind. First, for your daughter. You can start this when she is just 3 years old. So invest 5,000 rupees per month in Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana. Next, for your son's education. So 5,000 in public provident fund or mutual funds will be of no harm. For your own retirement. So you can invest 3,000 in NPS or SIPs in retirement focused mutual funds. The whole point is don't just save money. Assign every rupee to a goal. That's how you build wealth. Make a habit of tracking what you spend every month. For that, you can divide your spendings, needs and wants. Use a simple WhatsApp group with your spouse or use an app like Walnut, Moneyfly or even Excel to manage to know what you have spent on what day for the whole month. If you see that your petrol or food delivery is going over budget, cut back and redirect that extra amount into investments, because small savings will make big money when invested right. Okay friends, before moving forward, let me tell you about this fantastic app which can help you and guide you with the expert knowledge. Even if you want to start your business, or you want to know your savings or the investment plans and everything, even if you want to know about agriculture or farming, everything is available on Bosswala. Bosswala is a perfect app with 500 plus courses with 5 different languages, and that too in just 999 for the whole year. You will get the access for the app for just 999. You just need to download the app, and for doing that, you will find the link in my channel profile and description. Let's move on to the video. So, if you earn 70,000 per month and your family depends on you, don't take risk. Take control. Build emergency fund, protect your health, safeguard your family's future with term insurance and health insurance. Invest for goals. Track your money like a business, because you are your family's CEO. Make sure you secure their future like a responsible leader. This is it for today, and I hope you have liked the video. In case you have any doubts of knowing how to save or invest more in a better place, so comment below if you want me to make a budget plan based on your income. Until next time, stay protected and stay prepared. And I am Ansi. We'll see you in the next video.
Bosswala. Be the boss.